Guys, gulab jamun bases of Scanton, they make exceedingly gulab jamuns. I don't know, they are so soft. Oh my, how can I tell you? Oh, it feels so premium to have a bite. It is very soft, and this outer layer is, very flavorful. The way how a gulab jamun should be. Wow, I enjoy each and every bite. It's very good. This part actually, there is a particular smell to it. It's very good, exceptional. Cake, cake kind of, um, sponginess, and this.